Let me invite some of the students on stage to give us information about these great leaders.
Alexander the Great. Alexander, III of Macedon, commonly known as Alexander the Great. Alexander expanded his empire, conquering a vast portion of the known world, creating one of the largest empires in history. He unified the city-state of Greece under his rule.
Cleopatra, 7th Philopator, was the last active pharaoh of ancient Egypt. Her legacy extends beyond her reign. She remains an iconic figure, symbolizing female leadership and intelligence. Her patronage in arts and sciences contributed to the rich cultural heritage of ancient Egypt.
Elon Musk. He transformed an electric vehicle industries and pioneered private space exploration, inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs and innovators. He also claimed the Von Braun Trophy in 2012.
Mark Zuckerberg. He is an American technology entrepreneur and philanthropist. His innovations are Facebook. He is the CEO of Facebook. Instagram acquisition. He acquired Instagram for $1 billion. WhatsApp acquisition. He acquired WhatsApp for $19 billion. Oculus VR acquisition. He acquired Oculus VR for $2 billion.
Steve Jobs. He transformed the technology industry and left a lasting impact on modern society. He is co-founder of Apple and Pixar Animation Studios. His innovations are iMac, iPad, iPhone, Mac OS, and App Store.
Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a true icon in the fight against apartheid and a champion of human rights. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1993 for his efforts to bring in apartheid and establish democratic South Africa. Mandela's legacy extends far beyond his country. He inspired a generation of leaders and activists around the world.
Ashoka the Great. Ashoka died at the age of 72. He expanded the Mauryan Empire, conquering much of the Indian subcontinent. He promoted the concept of dharma, universal law and morality. Ashoka played a significant role in spreading Buddhism throughout Asia. He promoted non-violence and tolerance, influencing Indian thought. Ashoka built numerous stupas, temples and monuments.
Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi's vision of an independent India was realized on 15 August 1947. However, the country was split into India and Pakistan, leading the widespread violence. Today, Gandhi is received as the father of nation in India. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a true visionary and the founder of Pakistan. Jinnah became a key leader in All India Home Rule League and proposed a 14-point constitutional reform plan to safeguard the political rights of the Muslims in India's subcontinent. Jinnah's legacy is still celebrated in Pakistan today. He is revered as Baba-e-Qaum, Urdu meaning for the father of the nation.